Hello everybody, this is Mr. Avila going on to question number 2 on our Unit 4 review on exponential functions. We're going to continue using this formula up on top, initial amount times growth factor to the power of x, over and over again. Question is, a researcher studied deer population and found that the deer population of deer followed the exponential function below. There's the function. How many deer were present when the researcher started the research? Easy enough. At the beginning of the research, we're at year 0. We look up to the top and we see the 80 right there is the number of deer. So we start with 80 deer. How many deer were present after 6 years? The information is present in the graph. So we go here, 0 all the way to 6, and we go up to the graph, and the 6 lines up with 180 deer. That information is going to be important for the next question. Create an exponential function for this situation. We're going to write initial amount, 80. Times the growth factor, but we're going to need that. So I'm going to put a b there for growth factor. It's an unknown number. But I do know that after 6 years, which we answer for letter B, after 6 years, there's 180 deer. Now we're going to solve for b using some algebra. We divide both sides by 80 first. So we end up with b to the power of 6 equals 180 over 80. Then to eliminate the power of 6, we learned in class that we do a 6th root. But when we type it into Desmos, I'm going to have you type that in as 180 over 80 to the power of 1 over 6. The 6th root is the same as a power of 1 over 6. So we jump into Desmos. We type in, let's get over to Desmos. And we're going to type in what we need here, 180 divided by 80 to the power of 1 over 6. Gives us a value of 1.144. That is our growth factor for this situation. And now that we have the growth factor 1.144 from using Desmos, our function is going to be f of x. I'm going to write it here. F of x is equal to initial term, which is 80, times the growth factor, which is 1.144. Let me double check that. Yep, 1.14 to the power of x. So this function is going to create the graph that we see there, and we're going to continue this on the next part. Thank you.